As you saw in the thumbnail, I'm going to be creating this look here. It's on my Instagram at Heart Eyes. Feel free to go follow me and keep watching to see how I did it. Yeah, keep watching. As you can see, I've already done my base. I did not wake up like this, I wish. I've done my foundation, concealer, bronzer, contour, setting powder, bit of highlight and eyebrows. Future me probably already showed you this look in the intro and in the thumbnail, so let's just get started. I'm going to take some on my nail. Boop. Just put it onto the tray. So I've put some of that cream shadow on this tray, and now I'm going to add a few drops of this mixing medium. Although I don't know if I chose a bad one or if someone used it. They probably didn't, but there's like no liquid in it and it's brand new. So I've mixed it together, but it's a bit chunky. It's a bit chunky chunks, so I'm just going to add some more liquid. Just film myself mixing for 20 minutes. Here I go, cross your fingers. Now for the wing. Should do one eye at a time. Oh no, it's gone on my eyelid. Ah. Brush, 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 brush. The lighting just changed. Who did it? I don't know. Focus on my face, please. This is about me. So I don't know how much of that struggle footage I'm going to put in, but I finally got the eyeliner done. Because it's a cream, every time I blinked it would get into my crease, so that was fun. Now I need to clean up with some concealer. I'm going to use my Essence Camouflage Concealer to clean up the edges and sharpen the liner a bit. Oh, eyeliner struggle over. So I want to incorporate some of the colours that these diamantes reflect. So I'm going to use my Galaxy Chic BH Cosmetics palette. Boop. I'm thinking of using the purples and the blues. I'm going to take the shade Cosmic and use that for my inner corner. And I'm going to take the shade Earth and put that on my lower lash line. So I've wanted to start talking more in my videos. So I figured the first topic we can talk about, or I can talk to you about, is how hard it is to talk in videos. Because it is a lot harder than I thought it was. I was always too scared to start YouTube. And there's always moments where I want to stop doing it because I think, what's the point? Because it's really hard. Like when I'm mentioning products and stuff, I have to say what I'm using 10 times because I just can't think of the names, I stutter. But yeah, I find it really hard to talk to the camera because it's not a person. I should probably stick little eyeballs on it. That might make it easier. But I'm hoping if I stick to it long enough, then, you know, more people will subscribe, people will engage, and then it won't feel like I'm talking to myself, and hopefully I'll be more comfortable with it. More comfortable with it. Time for diamantes. Was that ASMR? Probably not. And I don't think I'm going to become like an influencer or anything, but it'll be fun to have some friends online that enjoy watching me do makeup. And maybe there's someone out there who just really wanted to watch this, you know? Don't know why, but if you did, here you go. Hope you enjoy. Should I just put diamantes on all my little breakouts? Little breakouts, more like canyons. Ooh, you know what always looks good? Odd numbers, 3s. So 1, 2. Oh, I can see that. Marie. Torture device. Oh, I lost a lash. Better Than Sex mascara, and it is better than sex. Who needs a boy when you have mascara? Well, says the one who has a boy. And for my lower lashes, I just use a different mascara because that one is way too big. This is Max Factor Clumptify something something, but I can't read it. It's very old, probably expired. Okay, time to do the other eye. Where'd it go? Oh, it's gone forever. For lips, I'm going to use this nude lipstick. I made it at the Lip Lab. For some reason, I thought it was a good idea to choose the coffee scent, and now it smells like shit, but it's still my favourite nude. Time for the magic. I can't get my finger in because of my nail. Let's add some chunky chunks of glitter. I'm so excited to show you this. So I got this new highlighter. Well, it's new to me. So it's the Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline, and it's amazing. And I love it because it's pure metallic, no glitter or anything, just shine. So I've already got a Colourpop highlighter on. It's Flexitarian, but more is more. Look at her. Oh, love it so much. Time to get that Insta-Ho glow. Is there anything else I should add? I think my eyebrows need a bit more love. Oh my god, look what happens to my eyebrow pencil. You ready? That's the bit you're meant to use and it like comes out. Setting spray, duh. How could I forget? Just drown yourself in it. Oh. You know what's always good after setting spray? More highlighter. Here's my final look. The lighting here isn't the best, but I hope you can see. And I guess you'll see in the thumbnail, and you can also check out my Instagram if you want to see the picture out in the sunlight. It'll look a lot better. I haven't really figured out my lighting. As you can see, it changes a lot. Oh, I like that, very far away. If you enjoyed watching my video and want to see more, subscribe because I've got quite a few videos planned. I'm really excited to make them. I have a lot of makeup coming from Colourpop. I did a big order and I'm really excited to try some of their new stuff, like their new eyeliners and mascaras, the Villains collection. Oh, I'm so excited for it. Anyway, have a good day. Bye. What was that? Bye. Oh, I got a text. Want to join what? A gym? Yeah, I record on my phone, so I'm like reading the text. My body's not made for the gym. I am spaghetti. I have spaghetti little arms, no muscle, just I don't know what I'm doing. Damn it. Okay, I'm done.